Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, it is my birthday month, which is August. So I wasn't going to run a challenge because, there are so many other challenges out there. And anyway, I thought I would go ahead and do a challenge, a birthday challenge, and it's super easy, guys. One of the worst things for me to do is make a card to include into a swap. Just a basic thank you card. I mean, just something really basic. So my challenge is to create, for you all, if you're going to enter, to create 2 all occasion greeting cards. So I don't want it to say happy birthday. I don't want it to say congratulations or anything like. It can say thank you. It can say something about swapping. I'm going to use these cards for my swaps, to include in my swaps. They don't have to be elaborate. They can be nice and simple, a couple of layers, and we're good. Now, it's up to you if you want to layer it up and make it bulky if you want. It doesn't matter, but the requirement is something nice and simple. That, I sure can use that. And you guys, I've always said I hate making cards, or I can't make cards. Not necessarily that I hate it, but I struggle with cards. So this challenge will open August the 16th and it will go through September the 16th. And probably about a week after that, I will probably do a drawing for the prize. And let me look at my calendar really quick. September the 22nd. Okay, I'm going to draw a winner on September the 22nd. Guys, it's a real simple challenge. You have, it's really easy. You can just put it in an envelope if you don't make it really bulky, and it should be really inexpensive to send in. My address is usually down in the description box somewhere, but I will make sure that it's in there. If you're going to mail it closer to September the 16th, send me an email, which will also be in the description box, and just let me know it's in the mail so I can wait for yours, because I don't want to exclude anyone. It's real quick, real simple. For the prize, I am going to give away the pink coffee caddy filled with all the goodies in it that I created. I shared this with you guys. This is the pink coffee themed caddy. Now, I created this specifically for the giveaway, of course, to show you what you can do with the caddy, but it was specific for this giveaway. Everything here will be included in the giveaway. And I had already shared this with you guys, so if you haven't seen what's in here, you can go back and look at the video for the pink coffee caddy, I believe is what it's called. Anyway, I'll link it in the description box so you can check out what is included in the giveaway. Alright guys, that's it. Simple, quick, that's all I have for you, and good luck to everyone who enters. I hope I have a good outcome, just because I struggle with cards, and this one is really simple. Couple of layers of paper. You don't have to put a sentiment on there if you don't want, as long as it's not a specific sentiment for a specific occasion. You can even put thanks on there. You don't have to even put a sentiment. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope to hear from you guys soon, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.